bots and algos of the interwebs. This is the Thursday's edition of the Analyst. Today we are navigating our way through the insert into select. Insert into select will copy data from an existing table to another existing table. Both tables must have the same data type. If you have identity columns on your table, you cannot copy the identity column. You will have to specify all column names you want to copy. Insert into will not create the destination table. However, select into will create the destination table and basically create you a blank table with all the matching data types and column names. The select into command will create the destination table and also copy the data from the source table to the destination table. So here we have a select into statement. Select all into human resource department new table. This will be the new table select into will create from human resources department, where 1 equals 0 means it will only give you a blank table. No data will be copied with select into. Let us go for it. Let's refresh the tables column. And here we see we have the new table. It is empty. Correct names, correct data structure, correct data types. Data from human resources dot department table to human resources dot department new table. And here we see 16 rows have been affected. Let's query the human resources department new table to see if the data actually came through. Data did come through as expected. Now, department column, department ID has identity on, which means the SQL Server automatically adds a new row number every time you add data. So if you're inserting it manually or through a program or through your CRM, you will not need to add department ID 1, 2, 3. You will just need to add tool design for name, group name, and so forth. With SQL or with select into, you are essentially creating an empty table that has the same structure as the source table but does not contain any data. It's a quick way to clone the structure of a table without copying any records. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe.